Hey guys, got a 2021 plate BMW 1 Series here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition is turned on or your engine on. And you come to the screen in the center of the dash. If you click on where the time is in the top right hand corner. And from here, you have automatic time setting, so it will automatically adjust it for you. Or if you want to set it manually, untick the box, then go to time, go to what you need, PM, AM, press OK to save. And from here, you can change your time format, so you have 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock, and then your date there. And then once you've done that, just press back, and that'll all save.